Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best faucet aerators that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Faucet Aerators. In every modern kitchen, you will find efficient appliances with the highest luxury. A kitchen sink aerator used to increase the faucet's efficiency to the next level. Installing an aerator at the end of the faucet head produces a no splashing stream every time. It also added some extra air pressure to reduce the volume of water flow. A tap aerator is the most efficient plumbing parts for a DIY plumber. Number 10. WINBOB Faucet Extension Tubes, Flexible 360 degrees Stainless. Due to the light and screen setting difference, the item's color may be slightly different. Please confirm your faucet spout size. Main features. Made of premium stainless steel. Fits most standard faucets. 360 degrees rotation. Number 9. Aerator Movable Kitchen Tap Head Movable 360 degree Rotable. This item 360 degree rotable water saving faucet nozzle filter sink aerator flexible diffuser. Main features. 3 modes of output water adjusting. 360 degrees rotatable kitchen faucet. Widely used on more than 99% types home. Number 8. Delta Faucet RP 330 Aerator for 2.2 GPM Chrome. Our faucets and their parts are guaranteed for a lifetime, but just in case you'd like to make some repairs on your own, we've made some parts available. Main features. Made in United States. Commercial brand Delta. 15/16" 22 male thread. Number 7. 360 Rotate Swivel Water Saving Tap Aerator Diffuser Faucet. Increasing water pressure. It can prevent water overflow and the mixture ratio of the water with air is appropriate. Main features. 2-position head. This unit produces a champagne effect. To clean, simply remove the strainer. Number 6. JQK Faucet Aerator, 2.2 GPM Flow Retrictor Insert Faucet. 2.2 GPM Flow Retrictor Insert Faucet Aerators Replacement Parts Bathroom 5-pack. Main features. Smooth flowing faucet aerator 2.2 GPM max. High quality, vigorously tested. Please read before clicking. Number 5. AM Conservation Group Incorporated FA012CPB1WS2AM. 5 gallon per minute faucet aerators increase spray velocity, reduce splash, save water and save the energy used to heat water. Main features. High performance and efficiency. Efficient water flow rate. WaterSense certified. Number 4. Faucet Adapter Kit Swivel Aerator Adapter to connect garden hose. This item faucet adapter kit, multi-thread garden hose adapter for male to male and female to male, chrome finished. Main features. Converts standard male. Solid brass faucet adapter with swivel. Brass material. Number 3. Cash Plus Faucet Aerator Key and Removal Wrench Tool. Aerators limit water flow through the faucet, allowing water use to be reduced compared to the same time flow without an aerator, in the case of hot water. Main features. Aerator removal tool. Handy household tool. Made of durable plastic. Number 2. Kohler Genuine Part GP1059291 Canister Seal. Protect the warranty on Kohler products. Always look for the Kohler Genuine Parts logo. Kohler Genuine Parts are designed by Kohler engineers. Main features. Protect the on Kohler products. Seal for single flush canister toilets. Replaces red seal. Number 1. Upgraded 2020 Srmsvyd Movable Kitchen Faucet Head 360. This item's Srmsvyd Movable Kitchen Faucet Head 360 degrees Rotatable Faucet Sprayer Head Replacement Anti-Splash Tap Booster Shower and Water Saving Faucet for Kitchen. Main features. Easy to install and clean. 3 modes. Lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.